Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, what is the perimeter of an equilateral triangle whose each side measures 29 centimeter? An equilateral triangle is a triangle with all three sides of equal length. So, perimeter of an equilateral triangle equals to 3 into side. So 3 into, we have given length of side is 29 centimeter. So 3 into 29, which is 87 centimeter. Hence, perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 87 centimeters.